What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. I've been super sick lately, and I've just been chilling inside, trying to get better, but it's not working, so I'm gonna get out there and work on the elcamino. Just gonna take it slow, but we're gonna get stuff done today. Heck yeah. Okay, here we are. This is where we sit right now. I mean, oh my goodness gracious. It's just a lot. It's a lot, okay? Had to go in there and get all these spot welds broken and try not to muff this up as much as I could, which, I mean, it's pretty muffed up as is, but this, I'm just so confused on what to do here, because obviously there's a patch riveted in right here, and this is all pretty solid metal, all right? It's just right under this rivet line that's pretty bad. And it's like, this is still good metal, you know? So do I really want to cut all of that out? Not really. I mean, I'm not sure what to do here. I do have that piece of metal right there, and it's long enough to only cover really half of this. Okay, but what I was thinking is I'm going to cut that straight down the middle. Let's see, if I use the plasma cutter, cut it down the middle, have two strips, you know, that are like this thickish, you know, and they go like, you know, could wrap it around some and, you know, get it nice and snug. But if I cut it in half, I could actually do the whole bottom part. What I'm thinking is I'm just going to come and cut out just this, get this rotted out stuff as close to the rivets as I possibly can. And then, you know, right where it's like not rotting anymore, like there's a solid line, like where it's not as bad. Okay, and then so trim off as much as I can, and then spray it with some rust treatment stuff, you know, and kind of just like try and seal it the best that I can to prevent it from rusting more. And then possibly my idea was to just go ahead and make another panel, patch panel, to go and then rivet it into there. I don't know if that's a good idea, but that's what I was thinking. So, because I really don't want to get rid of all of this, because I don't know. I don't have the material really to fix it all. I'm gonna have to do the other side, like the back side over here. I'm gonna have to go over there and grind down the rivets and then rebondo everything and make it look clean and how it's supposed to look. But yeah, I did get this cut out as well, as you can see here. This was another piece that I was kind of lost on, not sure what to do with. But cut this out. So that's out of there. Can no longer just slip my, oh, sorry. Can't slip my homemade little patchy medalio over it anymore. It's actually a direct hit now. Yeah, see. And that's how I think I'm gonna have to do it, is just butt weld it on like this. It is not perfect. It's not perfect at all. But, I mean, alterations can be made, you know. You can see right where it's not lining up, really. And see, I'm almost thinking that I need to... gosh, I don't know. I can't tell. It's just not perfect, you know. I think I need to cut a little bit more off of here. But honestly, what I should do is cut all of that out, probably. Most definitely. Ugh. Along with all of that stuff, I still need to get off, which is just a pain in the butt. Just layers of fun. And that's pretty much what I had to deal with. All along here, there was just big chunks, you know. And yeah, you gotta get them off one way or another. Like, geez, see. I need to get that off. That's gonna cut me at some point. I'm just like at such a loss. This project has turned into an insane amount of work. Just insane, you know? Yeah, pretty much. All right, so I feel thoroughly content with what I got done. So I am going to pack up shop right now and just call it a night, because I am pretty tired. And I feel like tomorrow is a new day, so I will get back out here first thing tomorrow. And I am surprised that I made it this long, honestly, out here, because I just do not feel great. I feel like it is affecting my performance.
It just takes too long to grab them.
Okay. I mean, I got most of the really bad stuff cut out, you know? So that just leaves like this new patch that was still in here. And I cut it as close as possible to the end of this patch, which is about right here. I just suck at cutting, and it's just really nerve-wracking for me. So I just stuck with right there. But I just didn't want to mess it up any worse. So I'm going to leave this new patch here, honestly, guys. I'm going to come back through here and try and get out as much of this rust as I possibly can, and then hit it with some rust barrier, rust protectant, whatever you want to call it. We're going to hit it with something. And then I'm just planning on throwing in a new patch right there. That's the plan. I'm not sure how well this plan is going to turn out, but all we can do is try. It's exciting, so... Oh my gosh. And I'm wearing the mask because anytime I mess with anything on this car, a bunch of like rust dust comes out, and it's just like not good for you. I feel like it's just not good for you. So I go ahead and wear a mask any chance that I can, honestly, because I do not want to end up with cancer like my father. So I try to protect myself, and yeah, it's just super hot out here. Give me crap for wearing shorts, I swear to goodness. It is like 90 degrees out. I am absolutely dying out here. So I would be completely protected, but unless I come out here at night to do this stuff, I just cannot survive out here. All right, I think it's about time we bust out the plasma cutter again. I am going to cut this sheet in half, and we will use that to make our little thing all the way around, you know. The sun is going down. Oh, it looks so pretty tonight. I am dragging. I just got done. I am dragging. That was funny. I meant like I'm dragging, like, it's like the end of the day and I'm getting pretty tired, but it sounded like I am dragging. Like spit and flames, you know? Anyways. Look, I fixed my GoPro problem by adding a little washer. And so that helped it stay tight enough now. So now I can use the head strap. Heck yes. Let's get ready to rumble. All right. Throw this bad boy on there, and then plug my fan in. Trusty, dusty fan over here. Decided to go on very nice. I really do need to clean that. That is not healthy. Okay. But we are going to just make a single cut. A single cut. And yeah, I need to find myself a little guide. I need a guide. definitely a rookie on the cutting. But I'm getting better, you know, like, I think if I can just find better guides and I don't have to stop or get caught on things, then it would be good, you know? I think I'm figuring out, like, the speed of which you need to cut things, you know, and the amperage, and I'm figuring all that stuff out. But, I mean, definitely not the straightest cut, but the cool thing is it really doesn't matter, so, because nobody's gonna see this. But yeah, you see where I'm going with this here? You see where my mind is going? Okay. If I can just get some bendage going on in there, which I know I'm capable of, then I can go around this whole thing, you know? 2 pieces should do pretty well. And we'll have like full coverage. Heck yeah. Definitely thinking I'm just gonna rivet it straight through and then come back up in here and do the Bondo work again, but better. You know, that's the plan. And you know what's funny is after doing this side, I started looking over there. Oh my goodness. Right, that side is gonna be so much fun. I do feel like that side is gonna be worse. Like, I can see the rivets trying to escape the Bondo. So, well, at least you guys know I definitely have a project ahead of me. Once we get this side done, we get to do the other side. How freaking exciting is that? Super exciting, right? Well, I'm gonna cut this video short, clean this up real quick, and edit this video and get it out to you guys so that you can give me any advice you have before I start doing stuff. Okay? So, that's the brilliant plan. You guys always have amazing advice for me, and I'm just like, you know, trying to tackle this slowly. I'm giving you guys time to let me know, you know, what I'm doing wrong. So, I guess it can't really be wrong, in a sense, you know, as long as I get the job done, then it's, you know, it's done righter, better than it was, so it's a win either way, right? Woo! You guys rock, and we'll get rocking on this very soon. Also, leave me any comments, any advice, any love or hate. I don't care. I'll take it all. Just give it to me. I so love it when it is sunny and raining. I don't know why, but it's beautiful right now. It's just barely raining, but yet it's so sunny and beautiful. I really like that vibe.